Gotta love a huge single-story home. We're here in the city of Beaumont, checking out this beautiful, it's a masterpiece, over 2,300 square feet of living space. You can tell it is super clean. Now the lot on this one is gonna be big, so I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like. But you can check out, we have nice homes here. And again, over 2,200 square feet of living space. We got 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. The backyard of this one is insane. Not all are gonna be that way, but we're here to check out this new community. So let's go check this one out. Now, before we walk in, quick reminder, do not come without us to these communities. You're gonna want the representation, and it really helps us also. We do a lot of hard work to get these videos to you guys to provide value. And in return, we're just hoping you guys wanna work with us because we can help you find the best deal. But let's get going. So we're here at the first bedrooms at the entrance. Now, this is gonna be more of an ensuite style type of home because you are gonna have your own restroom here. Now, what I like about this restroom here, it's connected to the room. This is gonna be perfect for maybe you're moving in with family members, right? Something like that. And look at this closet right here. I mean, that's bigger than most closets, that's for sure. Now we come this way and we're gonna have like this middle section of the house over here. It's going to have a bedroom there. It's going to have an office area here. And this is gonna be the shared restroom, which is another full restroom that I really enjoy. It's not just a powder room that you usually get, but that's gonna be the shared one here. You're gonna have washer dryer here. Again, look at the foam. Look at the foam. It's gonna keep the house nice and cool. It's a lot cooler in here than it is outside, that's for sure. And then this is going to be my favorite great room for the single story. I love the layout, the separation. You get the master on one side, you get all this space over here. Again, I'll give you guys a quick look at what that looks like. Look at all that island, look at all those cabinet space. And I promise you guys, I will show you guys a yard. So here we go. This is going to be the yard space over here. This thing is massive. Now, not all yards are gonna be like this, but you can get lucky on some of these big lots that have very little slope and you get an amazing view. I know it's kind of hard to see right now. I'll give you an aerial shot of what that actually looks like to be able to buy a home here. We're in a great area of Beaumont, right next to a golf course. Like, this is the place to be. Now let's go see what we have in the primary. So now we come this way, we're gonna have a beautiful primary room here. Super spacious, super wide. We got the bath here. We're gonna have the his and hers, the bath and shower combo with a walk-in closet, a really good sized walk-in closet. They just put that in the middle right there so you guys can see how good it is. Again, a different idea. So this is gonna be the single story here. This is probably gonna be the bigger single story here. So great option if you are looking to buy a new home. This could potentially be it. Now the whole thing is like, hey, let's just get here and see if it makes sense. Now there's gonna be some details down below where you can book a 15-minute call. Don't be shy, book the call. We know what we're doing. We're gonna send you exactly where you need to be for new construction when it comes down to your monthly payment and all that good stuff. Reminder, do not come without us. Now it's time to see the big boy. Let's go check it out. All right, so now we're checking out the big boy here in the city of Beaumont. This home right behind me is gonna be over 3,100 square feet. It's going to have 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. The loft on this side is bigger than most people's apartments. I promise you guys, this one is insane. You're gonna check it out. Look out how clean this looks right here in front of me. Again, nearly 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. And this is gonna be the biggest option here. This thing is super clean. Let's go check it out. Now, quick reminder, I just talked to a couple of people. It's been 2 families already. And they're like, man, we follow you. Thank you for always putting out the good deals. Guys, all I ask is, hey, we're here to provide some good information. Let us represent you as you guys come check out these homes, because we're gonna help you find and negotiate the best deals possible. So as you walk in, you're gonna get this kind of den area slash office area right at the beginning. Now you do get this kind of ensuite room right here, full on bedroom there. This thing is gonna be super, super clean. You're gonna get washroom oh sorry, powder room on this side, which is really nice. Washroom is going to be upstairs. And you get this huge, great room right here. Before we head upstairs, I'm going to give you guys an idea of what you can get in the backyard. But this is a really great room here. I can't wait to show you guys what the loft area looks like. This is the backyard. You also got the tub and shower combo. And what I'm gonna do too, just for you guys, I'm gonna go around the parks, kind of show you guys what you get here. It's gonna be really nice. All right, you got the washroom there. You got bedroom here, restroom. We got another bedroom and the last bedroom here. So again, total of 5 bedrooms. This thing is super clean. You have that den office plus this huge den up here, or loft I should say, with a nice master in a great area of Beaumont. If you guys are looking to buy something like this, details will be below. Make sure you do not come without us. Let us represent you.